Hey everyone, Kyle here, Legend Fleet Solutions. We just wanted to take this time to show you the new install of our StabiliGrip rail floor. Tools you're going to need a rubber mallet, you're going to need a drill, and you're going to need a 13mm bit. So the first thing you want to do is take out all the D-rings. So if your vehicle is equipped with the floor D-rings, you want to take those out. Simple process. Just want to take them out, make sure they're out of the way so you don't trip on them. Now that that's done, typically, first you're going to want to start with the piece at the front of the vehicle. So you want to start at the nose of the vehicle, the piece. And again, I'm a sales guy, I'm not an installer, but you're going to want to take these pieces. So you're going to want to take the joint piece is obviously going to be towards the rear of the vehicle. You want to be careful when you're installing to not to damage the walls. This vehicle is already equipped with a Legend wall liner system, which typically we would actually suggest installing the floor before the wall liner. But since this one already has a wall liner, we'll see how this one goes. So you're going to want to set the floor up on the back edge of the vehicle so that you can avoid damaging the walls, and then maneuver it into place from there. Be careful getting in the vehicle. And then you're just going to carefully set the front piece down. Next, you've got this middle piece. It's a smaller piece. This has a joint on both sides. So you're going to want to make sure you figure out which way it goes. Obviously, the wheel well portion is going to be towards the back of the van again. So before you actually install this second piece, you're going to want to get the rail and attach the rail to the joint. So the rails come pre-cut to length to size for each piece. You're going to want to grab your rubber mallet. And then this is pretty simple. You just want to simply start it at one end, and you want to be carefully hit that on, being sure to hit it straight on so you're not bending the rail. Just go down the rail a bit, all the way down, so there's a nice, crisp, clean joint. Then you're taking your second piece. Again, ensuring that the wheel well portion is towards the back. This will be a little bit more difficult than it typically would be due to the fact that the wall liner's in there already. You want to flex this. To get it under the wall liner, you just want to flex it a bit. Now you see, you got to make sure that it's flat, so you want to keep it as flat as possible, push it in. Keep it as flat as possible on both sides, push it in. Take your rubber mallet again. Just give it some nice hard taps, making sure again to hit it flat on so you're not damaging the joint. Again, get a nice crisp, clean joint. Grab the second length of rail that comes with it. Again, same strategy. Just put it on, get it on one side, grab your rubber mallet again, give it a nice light but firm tap on the end. Now this is the largest piece. It's going straight in the back doors. You obviously want to be careful while you're lifting it. Again, figuring out which side the joint is going in towards the front of the vehicle. Again, being careful not to damage the walls or other portions of the vehicle. Again, you want to flatten this out. Make sure it's flat all the way around. Give it a little push. Rubber mallet again, just to get it nice and tight. At this point, because it's at the edge, it's easier to lift this slightly. Give it a couple good whaps. And that's the install of our new StabiliGrip floor with the rail system. Takes a few minutes, but it's you can see it's a nice finished flat surface. Very nice joint. No possibility of any deviation from where it's meant to be. Any questions? Email customercare at Legend Fleet Solutions. The email address is customercare@legendfleet.com. Or you can call our toll-free number 1-866-223-2256. Thank you again. This is Kyle from Legend Fleet Solutions.